everyone, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. Today we're going to be making Veg Seekh Kebab, which is a very nice party snack. I hope you enjoy this recipe. For our Veg Seekh Kebab, we need 2 teaspoon oil, half teaspoon jeera, half an onion finely chopped, green chili, gram flour or besan ka atta, cabbage which is finely chopped or thin shredded, carrot which has been grated, half cup peas, half cup French beans finely chopped, 2 medium potatoes, some red chili powder, some cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, haldi, lime juice, breadcrumbs, fistful of coriander leaves, pudina or mint leaves, some ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. These are the ingredients we require to make our Veg Seekh Kebab. To start cooking the ingredients for our Seekh Kebab, I'm heating some oil in a pan. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to throw in my cumin seeds until my cumin seeds splutter. I'm just waiting for my cumin seeds to splutter. Once my cumin seeds are spluttered, I will add my ginger garlic paste and my chopped chili. Just gonna saute this a minute. Next we'll be adding our besan or gram flour and cooking this for a couple of minutes. Now I'll be adding in all my vegetables and cooking this until all my vegetables are soft. So I've got my potato, my cabbage, my carrots, peas and French beans. Now that our vegetables are soft, we'll transfer these to a blender. Mix it with our coriander leaves, mint leaves and cashew nuts. We'll blend this coarsely. So we've blended our vegetables and ingredients. We're removing our blended vegetables into a bowl. To this I'm going to add my red chili powder, my turmeric or haldi powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, pepper powder, garam masala, chaat masala, breadcrumbs, lime juice and some salt to taste. We're mixing all the ingredients for our Seekh Kebab. We'll be shaping our Seekh Kebabs now. So we take our vegetable mix and make it into long and we'll be inserting this into a skewer or an ice cream stick. Our seeks are shaped and ready on our ice cream sticks. Now it's time to cook them. My pan is hot with oil in it. Oil is hot. I'm just going to cook my seeks in my oil until they're brown on all sides. My seekh kebab is ready. I'm going to be serving this with some lime wedges and onion slices.